Hey everyone, I want to discuss with you the digital tools that you must use if you want to transform your business in this digital world. There are lots of tools that are out there that we can use. These are some of the tools we have tested, that we use, and are fabulous to exponentially grow your business. The first tool that I want to discuss with you is your email system. You might be using Outlook, but we use Gmail, the Gmail platform under our own domain. So when we send an email, the customer gets it as De Silva at netStripes.com, but we use that Gmail platform. It is fabulous. It is one of the best things that netStripes have done when we moved from our typical Outlook type of platforms into that Gmail platform. It is very scalable. Searching for any document, any email is fabulous. So there you go. Recommendation number one. Number two, what is a cloud storage platform that you use? We used to use Dropbox. We used to use multiple other platforms, OneDrive. We saved our files on laptops and desktops and servers. And when we lost our laptops or server broke down, we lost a lot of files. No more is the case. We save everything on the Google Drive under this G Suite platform that also enables us a host of new tools that provide us collaboration. We don't use Excel anymore. We do use Excel for some topics, for some tasks, but we typically use Google Sheets, Google Word. They are very, very good. So it's not Google Word, it's called Google Docs. So the G Suite platform is superb for saving your data and also some other collaborative tools. And talking about collaboration, we use Slack. Slack is a chat tool that you can chat with anyone. It's so much more efficient than just emailing internally with people within your internal team, wherever they are located, especially when we are working from home like most of us do remotely. Slack helps us to be connected as though we are connected in the office. So Slack is a fabulous tool. I know Microsoft Teams help you to do that as well. Then again, with talking about collaboration, how do you have meetings? Microsoft Teams allow you to do that. We use Zoom. Zoom is superb. It's very efficient. And I know a lot of you will be using Zoom, so I don't have to tell you what to do there. What are the other tools that you can use to really automate your business? You know, your website is able to do a lot of automation. For instance, we use our website to make sure we have automated calendar booking so that customers can book appointments with our advisors, with our strategists in an automated way. So that saves a lot of time for all of us. We have run lots of events, as you know, so event registration is automated. It's on our website. So calendar booking, event registration, then we have online payments. So there you go. There are fabulous things you can do on your website. You're only limited by your thinking. Why? You know, online forms allow you to do credit applications. So if you are in the business of providing supplier credit, your suppliers can apply for credit online. If you're a lawyer, you want to do online wills to get all that information from the customer. You can get them to deliver that information through online forms, and then to create a bit of workflow that then communicates back to that customer. And talking about communication, how do you do your email automation? Email automation is a superb tool for marketing. I hope you're using that powerfully. MailChimp is a tool that you can use. We use ActiveCampaign. There are lots of other tools you can use. Now, talking about email automation and customer information, how do you store your customer information? Do you use a CRM system? And there are lots of valuable CRM systems out there. Salesforce is a good one. It's a bit expensive, but it's a very good one. Zoho is a good one. It's cheaper. We use ActiveCampaign again, and that has served us well, but it's a bit complex. It's a bit hard to implement unless you get some expert help. Now, talking about marketing, how do you do your social media marketing? Are you still doing that old way of posting stuff on social media and expecting results? The Facebook algorithm, the Instagram algorithm, all these algorithms have changed a lot. So just posting, simply posting on social media as a business doesn't create engagement. So you need to have a professional marketing plan designed so that you drive the right traffic to your website. Not only that you drive that right traffic, they have the right experience when they come to your website. And then once they leave your website, your customers still will see your brand through this follow me advertising or the retarget advertising you see. That is a system, again, that you can automate. Talk to one of our advisors, one of our people at netStripes. That's probably one of the most powerful systems that you must have. Now, there you go. I've given you a few really valuable tips there. If you want more, I have a few more for you. Yes. How do you do your accounting? I hope you're using a cloud-based accounting system. There are so many out there. There's Xero, there's MyOb, and there are quite a few out there. Go and select the best one for your business. We are not we are not experts in accounting, so I'm not here to deliver you that advice, but we use Xero, have used it for many years. It works fabulously. So there you go. I hope you found this video valuable. If you like this video, please make sure you share it with your friends and family. Also, click on the link below and like the video, but also go to the comments and tell us what you liked. If you have any other questions, if you have any other videos you would like to do, we'll be more than happy to do that for you. So there you go. Thank you very much for listening. Look forward to seeing you in our next video.